Okay, good afternoon, YouTube. This is a short video of my hydro generator. This is made by Mott Energy. It's a three-phase AC generator. Okay, and it comes with a Pelton wheel. Okay, I have one jet going in, hidden on the top, and I have another one hidden on the bottom, and there's another third jet, but I removed because what I did was I was testing to see if it works better with 3 jets, 2 jets, and so forth. So I removed it because, well, just temporarily, because like I say, I'm going to test it with 2, see what type of voltage I have in there. If I see that it might need a third one, even if it's under probably control where I can always turn it on and off by itself. So we'll see how that goes anyway. So as you can see, it's only half-inch pipe, but under a lot of pressure. See, what happens is, right here where I live at in the island, okay, my water source actually comes from way up on the mountains. I'm talking about, I have to say, it's far from here, thousands of feet, and it's the water source that everybody around here uses. It's 2-inch pipes coming down from about, I say it's about 2 miles away, and it's dug in on the bottom of the underneath the street, and it's coming down at a lot of pressure. Okay, with a lot of pressure. So even though you might just see a 2-inch, a half-inch PVC pipe, that pipe is under a lot of pressure. Okay, and I tested this before, and trust me, it does give you the voltage. Okay, anyway, as you can see, I have the 3-phase going into a 12-3 extension cord, and the extension cord is the end of the extension cord. It's actually at a 3-phase a rectifier. Okay, and you got the positive and the negative, and the 3 phases here. So it's a 50 amp unit. I have another one around 100 amp, but I'm testing this one. I'll see how good it works. Anyway, and as you know, whenever you run one of these, just like a wind generator, a hydro generator needs a constant load. So I don't have a resistive load. Thinking about a hot water heater element, so I can as a load, but I'm undecided yet, because a resistor load, like a resistor, those things are $30, 60 bucks for 2 of them. So I have to decide on it. I'm using a cheap get up here right now. I have it set up here. These solenoids get very hot, okay, when they're energized. So what I did was, I had this little tiny fan going. I just put it on that way. Whenever there's voltage applied to it, this doesn't draw much voltage, so it'll just give a constant flow of air. But like I said, this is a cheap unit. There are better ones out there. But like I say, I don't have the type of money to spend on the big ones. I just use the smaller one. I tested it works pretty good. Right now, the load that I'm using is this DC motor. Okay, I don't trust them, because if the motor fails, then I can damage my my hydro generator. So that's why I'm going to be going with a resistor, or probably with our heating element. So either one of the two. But like I said, this one here was just a test. I removed my cables. I have the cables, but I decided to go with a better cable. But when I went to the store, the guy didn't have it, so I'm using this type of cable right here. Okay. As for my solar setup, I am using a MPPT solar setup for my from my solar array. Okay, and right now I'm running at 13.56 volts. This here will only come on at around 14.2 volts. That's when it starts dumping the load. But right now, like I say, I don't have the cable, but everything just, connect the battery to here, this, and the other one of this, the load is over here, and then the other one goes to the from the battery to here, and from here to the hydro generator. Okay, but anyway, I will be posting a video soon on this thing at work, and the only load that I'm probably going to be putting on it, it'll probably be a light bulb, or one of those old Volkswagen light bulbs. Thing takes about maybe 4 or 5 amps to run it, and which is pretty good. You know, I'm not going to be getting 200 or 300 watts out of the unit. Remember, I'm using just regular half-inch hose, half-inch water pipe going in. So I'm still inventing. I'm still using different nozzles. I've been using this type of nozzle. I've used this, and this one I broke it off trying to. I've used this one also, but this one is too much, so it just really the pressure on the head is just diminished by using that one. I got a lot of different nozzles, but so far this one seems to work the best, and then they even work better when I actually move the nozzle closer to the wheel, very close to the wheel, just barely missing the wheel. So that's what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using that as a load, and we're going to put it to the test and see how it works. But anyway, this is how it is. This eventually will get a piece of plexiglass here. I will eventually tie this in, just tack weld it. And this side I don't have to weld because it's already together. But this side was just a separate piece. So we'll just put it together and tack weld it. Make sure that when I push it in, that the nozzle at the bottom will actually hit the wheel. I mean, right, the center of the wheel. See how close it is to the wheel? How close it is. And then this one too. And so, but anyway, like I said, though, that's the unit. And I should be able to post the video soon on how it works. Alright, anyway, until the next time. You guys have a good day. So long, bye.